Hello everyone, Akash here. This is Neo Hair Lotion. This really helps you the root of your hair, and this is for men and women both. This is all natural product, and there's few things if you start recently losing hair. Few things you should do before you go out there. There's so many product out there. I would recommend go for the natural products. There's 4 products natural that I will talk about it. You need a really good shampoo. You need a really natural hair oil, and also if you get the spray and the derma roller. Those 4 things I'll show it to you in detail how could it help you, and you'll see the immediate difference. If you use it for few weeks, you'll see the significant difference to your hair. It happened to me because over the years the many natural product I used, some of them the video that really helped me, I made the review of those products. It's in my channel playlist. All hair regrowth is there. You could check it out. In case you have any question, you could always ask me in the description box. So Neo Hair Lotion, this is the bottle. It's a pretty big bottle, and this is all natural ingredients. That's ingredients. So if sometime you get some kind of chemical product, there's so many out there, trust me about that. If not working, that could hurt you too. You might lose more hair using those products. So why don't you, if you start recently losing hair, start with something natural. There's nothing harmful to it. If even it doesn't work and it's cheap, if it doesn't work, it's not gonna hurt you. You try something natural, good for your hair, and then if it's not, then move on to something much more stronger. But if you start losing hair like 20-30%, I think definitely recommend this. So this, you gotta shake it well. You're gonna put it exactly where you think you're losing hair, because you don't want to use too much. Just put a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, exactly where you need it, and just gently massage it. So I use it in the morning. It doesn't smell at all. It's all natural ingredient, but it doesn't smell. So you could go out to work and go out, no one even gonna notice. And when you use this, immediately you'll see your hair, the place you put on, it looks much more thicker and fuller. That's what you wanted, because a lot of time you have a little bald spot. You have some hair, but those hair is so small that you need some help. Those so if you're giving the enough nutrient to that hair, that will grow faster. So that's exactly what this is gonna do. And the main thing about your hair is the blood flow on your scalp. So this is derma roller, right? So I don't know if you probably saw this before. I use this for like more than a year now. So this is, you get the one 0.5. Again, I have the link in description box. You always could go and check it out there, all the product I talk about. So you get this 0.5 one, or you get you could get like 0.5, 0.10 is very cheap. So you're gonna use it every day for like, if you could do 10 minutes, it's really good if you could do it 10 minutes. So this one, you're gonna put it, you're gonna do it gently. Don't press it too much, because you don't want to hurt, you just don't want to bleed out or something. So gently do it. Once you start doing it, what it does is blood flow on your skull wherever you need it. If you need it in the back, side, you do it exactly where you need it. And what it's gonna do, pump the blood, and don't press it too hard though. If you press it too hard, you might bleed out. So be careful and try to wash this daily, because a lot of is dark might come out, so you better watch this daily. So you do this 10 minutes, maybe watching a TV, you could do it. Maybe like whenever you get time to do it. If you could do it, so blood flow, and this is also you helping with your hair, then that's a combination of both of them. In few weeks you will see a significant difference to it. And also you gotta know which shampoo you're using, because we all use shampoo, right? Maybe if you take a shower every day, you use shampoo. You use it every other day, you use shampoo. I would definitely, if you have any natural shampoo that you're using, then fine, it's natural. Like look at the ingredient on it. If it's natural, that's fine. Otherwise, I'm gonna recommend you pure ginger, 100% pure ginger shampoo. This is how it's gonna look like. Again, I have the link in description box. You could always, if you don't find it outside there, you could always look in the description box. So totally fine. This is made in London. Why I like this one, this is the 3rd time I bought it. And this is, if you have small hair like me, this is good for probably 2-3 months, because depending if you use it every other day. I use it every other day, and you don't need too much. If you're a woman, then maybe definitely you need more than, maybe it's good for maybe a month and a half. So, but again, it's pure ginger. It's no harmful to your hair, because you're doing this is completely no chemical, nothing. The derma roll, this is completely pure natural ingredients. So nothing. And then you use a chemical shampoo, you know what's gonna happen. You're trying to do good to yourself, then you're messing up with, you know, chemical. I'm not saying every chemical is bad, but you know, you just stick to natural. Or so if you could get this, definitely. And whatever the shampoo you're using right now, if you like your shampoo, look at the ingredients, make sure, you know, if it's good, then you know, then hopefully you stick to it. So, and you need a hair oil. Hair oil is very important because you gotta use it once a week. By the way, how you use it, it's like a regular shampoo. You just keep this 5 minutes on your skull and gently massage it, and use cold water. Please don't use hot water when you're washing your hair. Use cold water, because hot water you're gonna, you know, lose more hair when you in the shower in hot water. So go with the cold water and go easy with your hair, okay? Don't go crazy on your hair, because when this hair is wet, you're more likely to lose more hair. You're trying to help yourself to regrow more hair, not to lose. So please don't do that. And this is Moroccan oil. This is Moroccan oil. You could get a small bottle. If you have a small hair like that, it's small bottle. This bottle is good for me almost 6 months, because more than 6 months. But you could get a small one, and this is how it's gonna look like when you get it. It's completely pure. See that? How pure it is? You see it? Is a drop. It's such a thick. Even I see some people, they use it on their eyebrow, and it gets really thick eyebrow, you know. So you don't want to use too much. You just use it once a week. So what this does, whatever the hair you have, it gets thicker, like fat hair. So if your hair gets fat, you know, like you're really healthy and fat, what's gonna happen? You're gonna look like you have a lot more hair, and also it's gonna help you long run grow more new hair. And also it's a Moroccan, it comes from Morocco, it's pure. So it's gonna call Moroccan. There's so many Moroccan oil out there, okay? And some of them, they tell you natural, it's not natural. They have mixed up with a lot of things. But this is Moroccan oil light. Again, I have the link in the description box if you're not sure. It's light. So you could get a small bottle. Even you get a small bottle, it's cheap, and that's gonna last you a few months at least, because you're using once a week, and you're gonna use it like overnight. You're gonna keep it on night. You just gently put it a little bit on your, you know, hair. Don't get too much, a little bit, you know, gently massage it like you're putting in oil, and it doesn't smell nothing. It's good. So you put it in, you keep it overnight. In the morning you just shampoo it out with the natural shampoo if you could get it. Maybe if you don't want it to get ginger, and I like, but maybe if you're thinking about biotin, you could check out my channel playlist. Is there's some biotin shampoo also is really good. You could use it daily or every other day. It's all natural, so it's not gonna harmful to you. And this is how I did it, you know. I like over the year, I many like natural product I used it, and it helped me. So whatever the hair I get left, because if I didn't do it, I don't think I would have had whatever I had left, you know. It would have been gone. It's very hard. If you lost already 50-60% of your hair, it's very hard to get it back. If it's early, you just start losing hair, is really good if you do it right away, because as longer you're gonna wait, as harder it's going to be. Or if you wait so long, then it might not work at all. And you have to do it continue, just like this one. You gotta use it every morning one time, use it every night before bed one time. And Dharma oil, use this 10 minutes. If you could do 10 minutes, and I know my hand gets tired, I do like 5 minutes now, but when I started, it really helps. Blood flow on your skull, it really helps. So you could do 10 minutes every day, and don't press it too hard, you know. That would really help. So even you want to begin with this two on, and if you have a natural shampoo in home, you could use that. And the shampoo, you use it every other day, because you don't want to wash your hair daily. You know, every time you take a shower, you lose it. Everybody lose hair when you take a shower. So it's better, even you take a shower daily, but don't, you know, wet your hair every day, or don't wash your hair every day. Do it every other day, like most of the women do. Like, do it every other day is better. So this way you reduce your hair fall. And also, you know, the towel, when you know, like drying your hair, just gently press it. Don't go like jiggling or anything. Just gently press it. And the shower head, remember the shower head, don't put too much force on your head. Don't do it, because that's gonna lose more hair if you do it. So those little things that you do in daily life could make a significant difference, definitely. And again, this oil, you use it once a week, so like 4 times. So this is gonna be very easy, simple. So I would say recommend just follow those things. If you have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. And if you not sure which product to get, sometime, every other week, like something new, or every month something new coming out. So I'm always looking for something new, maybe help me better. So you could always check out in my channel playlist, so you could always find there that if something new, natural, good product new in the market is working, because I use it myself. If it works, then I review it. Many times I use a product and it doesn't work, I don't review it. So it's not all the product out, natural product out there, even gonna work for you. Again, individual situation is different, and everybody's hair situation is different. So it's just comment section, you can ask me, like if there's something specific, that situation you have that you need help with. So hope this video was helpful to you. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. Thank you so much.